Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. In our gospel reading today, Jesus prayed. And what was the prayer of Jesus? He was not praying for himself, but he was praying for all of us. He prayed to the Father that all of us would be one. And I think that is also our prayer. We pray that there will be oneness in our family, that there will be unity in our family, that there will be oneness, unity, even in our working place. However, reality will tell us that there is always division. Why? Because every person is unique and even identical twins. And every person is unique, therefore every person has or her own idea. No wonder there will always be conflict of ideas. Na may mga ba nag-asawa dinhi sa usa ka semana kapila man mo maglalis kamo ra ganing duha. Dili lang maglalis sa business, maglalis kung unsay sudan, maglalis kung unsay kolor sa sanina, mga gagmay mga butang lalisan pag yun. Unsa naka kung dako nga grupo. My dear brothers and sisters, as much as in our first reading, the Gentiles and the Pharisees were even in conflict, it is but inevitable in our society. But if you come to think about it, in our opening prayer, we pray that we will have the gifts of the Spirit. In other words, as much as we pray for the gifts of the Spirit, that everyone is unique, then there will always be differences. Naay mga butangan na anako nga wala ninyo, naay mga gasa nga naa ninyo nga wala nako. And how can that be one? We can be one not in order to compete each other, but our giftedness would complement to each other. And that would be our reflection. What are the hindrances for oneness and unity? Three things. Number one, crab mentality. Wa gyud unity mahitabo kung dunay crab mentality. When we try to pull down each other, nga di taganahan malabwan. The success of other people is our sadness. Unta, the success of other people is also our success. And their misery is not also our happiness, but their misery is also our misery. Their sadness should never be our happiness, but their sadness would also be our sadness. Crab mentality. Number two, unsay laing hinungdan nga wala tay unity, mao kini kina common chismis. Mao gyud ni bisang kapila na ko nagwali ani, kapila na ko balik-balik ani, naa gyud ning chismis. When you talk about people, mao nay chismis. Mao na baliko na po din ako, magpundok gani ta, magsugod nagigistorya ning usa bahin sa absent diha, ing nadayon nga change topic. Kung magsugod na gay naghisgot sa tao nga wa diha, talk about his goodness. Ayaw paabot nga mamatay ning tao adto na ka maghisgot unsa siya kabuutan. And number three is bitterness. Kaning tao nga bitter, mao ning tao hinungdan nga way unity ang pamilya, ang katilingban. When we feel bitterness, these are the times when we feel envious to other people. Not only of the things that he or she has, but even in the times nga kanabitang suguon ang imong igsuon, may ka nganong siya may suguon dili man ako. Nganong siya may gisangpit dili man ako. Nganong siya may gitagaan dili man ako. Because we want to be the center of attraction. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, as we continue with the Mass, we hope and pray that you and I will never be a hindrance of unity, but rather we contribute our giftedness to the unity, oneness of our family, of our community.